Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we have a box that has come from another country, and they represent countries around the world with artisans. And it is the Novica box, and it got a little dented underneath here, but we're gonna discover the undiscovered artisans through Novica box. And this is a quarterly box. It's $59.99 a quarter plus shipping. Shipping is $3.99. Yeah, heck of a deal. I wish everybody had $3.99 shipping or free. That would be just fantastic. But it's $3.99 for shipping, so with tax and everything, it cost me around $64. Now, there are several of us that get this box, and you may want to check their sites to see if they posted. I do know Kim has. Hanging Out with Kim, she has posted hers. Sometimes Katie with Katie's Corner of the World has the box. T with Tea Time Adventures, and Jessie with Jessie Miller Unboxings and More. So you may want to check with those ladies to see if they have posted. And like I said, I do know that Kim has. Now the thing about the Novica, even though it's $60 or $59.99 a quarter, you do not have to order each quarter. If they're going to a country that is of no interest to you, or you look at what they have to offer and you're not interested, you can pass. And then they'll just get in touch with you the next quarter. It's fully customized. You get to pick out all the items, and what I like about it, it's like going to that country. And when you do go to countries and or even to state, you know how you'll go through the market areas of the places that you're visiting, and you'll pick up a few things as souvenirs. Well, this is a way to be able to do this around the world, because obviously, I don't know about you, but I can't go around the world. I wish I could. I would love to. You know I would. But it's just not feasible, and I can't do it. Now, the country we're going to this month, I have been to several times, and I've been to several different parts of it. So I've seen quite a bit of this country, and if you kind of follow me, you know probably where it is. I've even walked across the border to this country from 3 different points from Texas, and one was Laredo, well actually 4, El Paso, Laredo, McAllen, and Brownsville. And if there's any other little towns in between that you could cross, I probably have, but those are the 4 that I think of. So I'm giving it away. But inside we have our beautiful package. They always package it up like a gift. It is so special. And in this envelope we have our bill. They're sending us what we've ordered from Novica Undiscovered Artisan Box. And I just love their desire for detail. You'll notice through this whole unboxing, it's very detailed. If you're looking for a unique gift to send someone in your family, this would be the one. Especially if they like to travel and or get things from other countries, or even if they would just like to get it, you know, just based on the fact that it's coming from another country. Now this is my box, and this is the first time I've ever gotten anything that's been like pushed in or damaged. Usually the box is in great shape, and I don't know what happened, and you know, in shipping they don't know what happened either, so hopefully everything's okay. But this is my presentation. It is wrapped all the way around. It is just a beautiful, beautiful presentation. So let's see what's in here. I have to unwrap it, and that's probably the worst thing that I have to do, is cut through it to get to it. And I'm gonna see if I can slide off my ribbon. Oh good, I was able to unwrap it, and they do secure it with a little bit of tape, so I can actually, you know, use this for another wrapping, as well as the ribbon that's on here. And I do save the ribbons because I could wrap another package with this. So that's a great, you know, reuse a product. Now we get to open up like Christmas or your birthday. Or does it have to be a special holiday? Not really. Not gonna worry about this paper. Okay, now after I get that all undone, this is our presentation on the inside. And we have all of our little cards on there. I'm going to tear the paper. And I'm not sure if that's new with the undiscovered paper there. They've got the Novica Undiscovered paper. That might be a little new. But when I pull everything apart, you can see what they have. And we have our card. We always get a postcard And this is our beautiful postcard this month, and it's in Spanish, so I'm not going to be able to read it. But some of you might be able to read that, so you might could let us know. But we always get a beautiful postcard, and it looks like they're dancing in their beautiful, colorful outfits. I mean, Mexico has... Oh, and by the way, we're going to Mexico. Mexico has so many vibrant colors. Let's see, we're going to... Oh, I know Kim pronounced this correctly. Oaxaca? I really don't know if I'm going to say it right, but it's on the card there. Oaxaca. That's where we're headed to, that part of Mexico. It says the journey has just begun, and then we might have our free gift on here. Isn't that cute? Just a little memento there. And you always have to untie to enter your card, and I think that's really something special too. It's like you got to open it all up. And then we have our information on the inside, and we can take that off, and then you have your card. It's got our featured artisan, Undiscovered Mexico, so we are in Mexico. Lucy and Pablo Mendez, your artisan guide. And then it's going to tell us your new Undiscovered Box journey begins in Oaxaca. I don't know if that's how you say it, Mexico. Here you will meet Lucy and Pablo Mendez, a talented artisan couple whose life's work explores a world-renowned folk art not introduced until the 20th century. So that is very interesting. They have pictures of some of the items, and then they're going to have a lot of detailed questions, which we're not going to go through that. But we also always get a recipe, and I always like to give y'all the chance to screenshot that. Let me get it on there just right. It's quesadillas. There's the name of it, and there's the ingredients, and there's the full list so that you could see it. I bet those are delicious. But let's get on to the content. You do get to customize this, so I got to pick out everything that's going to be in this box. They wrap up everything beautifully, and I don't know which custom. There's a 1, 2, and 3. 1 is your most expensive, and you get 1. Then selection number 2, you get 2. And then in selection number 3, you get 2 more. And then they usually send you a free gift, and that could be what this is this month. But let's see what this is. And I don't know the values, but I do know for your $59.99, it's to have a value around $200, I believe. With each package that's individually wrapped, we get a Novica card that tells us about the product that we're going to be looking at. And look at this hand-carved armadillo. This is by Alejandro and Rocio Jimenez, and just as I received teachings, now I share them with my children in the workshop. Our dream to expand our artisan workshop and showcase our art to the world. And look at the detail in this. Isn't that beautiful? And it says Mexico's Protector. Crafted in Mexico by Alejandro and Rocio Jimenez, this armadillo couple wood figurine will add a whimsical touch to your environment while attracting natural protective energies. And I guess that's what it means to have the protector of the armadillo, but I love the colors. I feel like my fingers are in the way of showing you all the detail of this armadillo, but isn't that beautiful? And I love the colors. So that's my first item, and like I said, you always get a detailed card, and I don't remember which one that was. This is heavy. I don't know what this is, but we're going to find out. They've got this taped around the edges on the ends. I want to show you, so in case I were to pull this out, it wouldn't slip through and fall and break, which I so appreciated, because there was a company at one time didn't do that. When I picked it up, it fell on my floor. And boom, crash, it was gone. They've got this wrapped up super nice. This is really heavy. I don't remember what I picked. It's been so long. So it really is kind of like Christmas. Ooh. Okay, now I remember. Okay, number 1, it's marble, I think. That's why it's so heavy. This was my number 1 choice. I do remember this, and I could see why it would be in the expensive category. Look at this. I know you don't know what it is, but this is handcrafted out of marble. And it's all the way around, and when I flip the top, you're going to know what it is. Yes, it is marble dominoes. It's got a lid, and then it's got a little protector here. And inside here, are the dominoes. Look at that, they're all made out of marble and they set right down in here. Isn't that exquisite? This is the kind of things that you can get through Novica. This is by the Sierra family. Odette Sierra is from the beautiful Mexican state of Pueblo. Her father, Edgar Sierra, first opened their workshop 30 years ago. Precious strategy. Those happy reunions with friends and family will never be lacking in entertainment thanks to the Sierra family, who work with precious metals to create refined domino set. Now we know that this is not metal, but this is a refined marble set. And this is beautiful with this refined domino set. Oh my goodness. So each domino is going to be a little bit different because, you know, when you're dealing with a natural thing like marble, it's going to have different colors going through it, but it's the basic color. And those are just beautiful. And my granddaughter Azalea loves playing dominoes. Last year I got a wooden set trimmed in gold, and now I have this marble set. This is exquisite. Let's see what my next item is. I don't know if anything's going to top that, but it's all right. We're going to see what we have. They've got it packaged up so good. Now I must have been in the market or really liked the marble. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Let's see what it has to say. This is the Eris apple, and it's by the Sierra family again. Odette Sierra is from the beautiful Mexican state of Pueblo. Her father, Edgar Sierra, first opened their shop 30 years ago, which we just read. And this is the Eris apple, and this is beautiful. A stunning design made from onyx. Oh, so is onyx and marble the same thing or from the same family? I don't know. But this is made from onyx, and brass is the newest creation of the Mexican Sierra family, featuring a warm palette. This apple sculpture has a high polish finish and will surely brighten any interior. And I would have to say, yes, indeed it would. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now you can see why we love this subscription. The next item I'm pulling out of here is from this little package. And again, everything's packaged very well for the protection of your little goodies. Oh, now I recognize this. I don't have a card on this, but I can tell you Kim from Kim's Happy Place, she got this, or one that looks similar to it, and you could go over there and find out more about maybe who made this, because I don't know who made it, unless it happens to be our featured artisan, but I don't know, so I can't really tell you that that's the case. So I'm just not going to be able to tell you, but it looks like it's made out of some kind of ceramic, and of course it's painted in all their beautiful colors, and it has Mexico on the bottom, and it is for Halloween, I believe. That's what I'm going to use it for. Isn't it beautiful? It's so pretty. I just love all the detail and all the colors. So that is gorgeous. And we have one last thing in here, and I hope we're not missing the card. Nope, here's our card to this one. Again, they have this wrapped up really good, and I don't remember what it is. I'm sure I will when I see it. Oh, look at this. It's a cat, and it's got its neck turned. And I wonder if that has a special meaning. I don't remember picking this out, but I'm sure I did. And I didn't know it was going to be this big. This is actually quite large. It says by Ivan Martinez. It was my parents who started the heritage of ceramics, and thanks to them I learned their secrets and processes. And I would have to say, since this is ceramic, it's highly possible that Ivan made the pumpkin too. But this says it's the blue Talavera cat. And I think I've got it facing to you the right direction. It says, Ivan Martinez of Mexico designs this charming cat statuette in the classic Talavera style. The quizzical cat is crafted of ceramic and hand-painted with floral motifs in yellow, red, green, and blue. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love that. And any cat lover would love this. And you know I don't have cats because I have dogs, but I do love cats. I used to have cats. before I got so many dogs. It's really not safe for cats to be around so many dogs. So that's why we don't have cats, and the ones we do have, they're wild, so they know how to protect themselves. But this is beautiful, and that is all that's in my Novica box. But as a recap, we have this beautiful blue Talavera cat. We have this Talavera pumpkin, and I'm gonna say they probably made this as well because a lot of them are featured artisans. We had our unique hand-carved armadillo, very, very pretty. And we had this exquisite apple. Oh, this is just beautiful. And then, of course, my featured product was the domino set. And inside here are my marble or onyx. I don't know, maybe it's onyx instead of marble, but it's beautiful. It didn't say what it was made out of, but this is gorgeous. You let me know what your favorite is. It's very difficult to pick a favorite when you like everything that you picked out. And of course, I love it all, but I'm gonna have to say I love this apple. This is exquisite and very elegant and beautiful and just simple, and I love it. So that is my favorite. You let me know down in the descriptions what's your favorite. What do you think of this? And be sure and check out the other ladies. And like I said, I do know Kim has opened her box. I'm thinking, and I'm not sure, I'm thinking T-E-A, Teresa passed on this one. And I want to say a couple of the other ladies may have. It might have just been me and Kim. But like I said, you have the opportunity to skip and go to the next and wait for the next country. But I'm so glad that I went back to Mexico, even though I've been numerous times. I enjoy Mexico and their beautiful art creations. So be sure and check my descriptions for any current giveaways that are going on. But guys, that's all I have today for Novica Undiscovered Artisans. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.